Hey guys, so today I'm thinking of doing a little like skincare video, like a little like Vogue moment, just kind of showing my like nighttime routine when I like take off my makeup and kind of get unready for the day. I ended up not having to work today, so I got all ready and then I didn't go to work. So I don't have any plans for the rest of the day. Also, my hair looks so bright. It's fading and I don't like it. I don't like the color. I'm just gonna let it fade out as much as I can because like I want to do like a honey blonde, but like I need a lot of that orangey warmth to go away because I want the blonde to not be so orangey. So I'm just gonna shower, clean everything, and then I'll be back to show you what I do. I'm back, I'm all clean, all my makeup is off. You can see my skin is not clear, but that's okay. My skin is, I usually always have breakouts, is what it is. And with the summertime, like I put sunscreen on my face and I'll do like self-tanning drops. So like all of that is gonna irritate my skin. So it's whatever. So I'm gonna show you some of the products that I use at night. First, I always like to go in with lip balm because my lips are always so dry and I feel like I'm always so dehydrated, which is so bad. I don't think I drink enough fluids throughout the day. Some water because I'm just like so parched. Literally always. But do you like my outfit? I tried to be very Vogue like. Okay, let's get started. First things first is a sheet mask. I always do one at night. I always reach for the aloe vera one because it's a soothing and calming one. So like that just seems right for nighttime. You just want to be calm after the day. But I'm using them up and I only have 2 left. I feel like I have to share love to the other ones. Aloe vera, I have the honey. Come on, focus. Okay. Rose. I have the avocado one that I just showed. I have the vitamin C cucumber one. And then I have just a regular charcoal. I think I need just a hydrating one. My skin feels dry, but it feels nice. Oh, let me show you what I use in the shower. I was using this face wash in the shower, but it's all gone. It like melted away. But I've been using this one by Belief, I think it's called, and it's so good. I think this brand as a whole is so good. It's the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. It's so good. It smells like tea tree and it's just like really, really soft and like gentle. Decided on the honey mask. I feel like it's a good vibe for right now. Like I used to not like to get my hands all slimy from the face mask, but now I'm like, I just dig right in. Like, let me unmask it, like let me unfold it and get this on my face because I love doing this so much. Ready? Here. Oh yeah, I'm such a perfectionist with it. It's so bad. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're looking a little crazy. I rub it on my lips. I rub it all the way down on my neck and everything. Like I soak my body in the mask juice. I'll let this stay on for like 10 minutes or until it just like dries off my face. Sometimes like I'm so extra that I want to just keep it on, so I'll spray literally this water. It's just water. So like it re-moistens or, you know, wets the mask so it stays on. Oh yeah, so I will usually let this sit for 10 minutes. Happy I didn't have to work today. but I'm not happy. I'm actually really stressed out because I like need money. I can't afford to not work. I got bills to pay. I have school to pay for. I can't sit in my room and just do sheet masks all day. I wish, but I can't. My glasses on because I just can't see. Before I take it off, I like try to squeeze it all into my skin and then just peel it off. Look how nice my skin looks. I just kind of try to press it into my skin so that it absorbs all that like extra product. So now I'm gonna go in with my serum. I've been using the Tatcha Dewy Serum. My mom gave this to me. She buys it. She was like, oh, you can have it, like try it out, and it's really great. I really like it. It smells very just like clean, like almost has like a very faint like old lady-ish smell. I like the way that the product feels. It's like a nice, and it just glides and sinks into my skin. I don't have like a crazy routine. I like to keep it simple. So I'm gonna go in with this moisturizer. It's Dr. Robux. I don't even know. My mom got this for me at Marshall's. So I've just been trying it out, and it's nice. I'm always doing that when I put stuff on my face. I'm just trying to give that one a go. I feel like I switch my products around too much, so I feel like I don't really know like what's working for me and what's not. I don't think any product is really causing me to break out, and none of these products can really cure the breakout because it's all from the inside. All these products are doing is just making my skin look great everywhere else besides like the breakouts. That's basically my skincare routine. It's really that simple. And yeah, my hair is done. And my skin is done, and that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all. Bye-bye.